Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be teaching you how to do a supine twist. If you're ready to learn something new, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to take it down to the ground. We're lying flat on our backs. Our legs are bent at a 90-degree angle at the hips, and our knees are bent, creating another 90-degree angle. We're going to bring our arms out at chest level, out to our sides, and this is our starting position. We are ready to begin. Inhale and engage your core. Bring your legs towards your left, and bring your gaze towards your right shoulder. Then, with a strong core, we exhale, bringing our legs back up to our starting position. That is one repetition of the supine twist. Let's go ahead and do a modification, make it a little easier, and still get the same supine twist benefits. This time, we're going to lie on our side. I'm on my left side with, again, my legs are bent at the hips, creating a 90-degree angle, and my knees are bent, creating another 90-degree angle. My arms are out at chest level in front of me, and I'm going to gently bring my right arm up and across, placing my gaze towards my right shoulder and engaging my core. Nice inhale, and when I'm ready to return, a nice strong exhale to return to my starting position with a strong core. That, again, is one repetition of the supine twist with a modification. Now let's go ahead and do a couple of those back-to-back to see how they flow together. But this time, let's do the regular supine twist. Again, we're going to lie flat on our backs. We're going to bring our legs up, creating a 90-degree angle at our hips and a 90-degree angle at our knees. Arms come out at chest level, out to our sides. Our core is engaged. And we inhale, bringing our legs towards our left and our gaze towards our right. Exhale, strong core, back to our starting position, and inhale, this time taking our legs towards our right. Our vision goes towards our left, and we exhale with a strong core, returning to our starting position. This time we go left again. Our vision goes towards our right shoulder. Exhale, return to our starting position. Inhale, and we go right. Again, our gaze goes towards our left shoulder. And we exhale to return to our starting position. And that is how you perform the supine twist. Again, if you learned something new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays.